Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your Cricut mats using wet wipes. Over time, little bits of different materials will get stuck in the adhesive on Cricut cutting mats, making them much less sticky. But don't go buying a brand new one right away. You can extend their life and use them for a whole lot longer by using the technique I will show you in this video. Let's do it! This is my Cricut standard grip mat. That rectangle in the top corner is a permanent stain from foil transfer sheets, but other than that, there is quite a lot of dirt and fluff and particles all over my mat. I'm using Kleenex brand wet wipes, but you can do this with any brand of wet wipe or baby wipe. With very gentle pressure, I just start at one end of the Cricut mat and start gently wiping the dirt in up and down, side to side, and circular motions. Some of the fluffs will clump together and I just remove those with my fingers. As the wipe starts to get dirty, I just keep folding it to show a new side, and when I run out of clean sides, I just get a fresh wipe. I usually go through at least 2 to 3 wipes on a single cutting mat. You really don't need to use much pressure when you do this. You don't want to push hard enough to damage the adhesive, and just some very gentle pressure should be plenty to remove the dirt. So I've given the whole mat a really good wipe down, and as you can see, all of those dark spots of dirt are gone and it's nice and clean. At this point, while the adhesive is still damp, the mat won't really be sticky at all, but don't panic. The adhesive just needs to dry. I like to use my blow dryer on the lowest heat and the lowest speed just to quickly get everything dry, but you can also let it air dry. And then the adhesive should be super sticky, just like new. My pink Cricut fabric mat had really lost its stickiness. As you can see, the plastic cover won't even stick to the mat, it just slides around. Now the adhesive on the fabric mat is different from all of the other Cricut mats, and Cricut advises not to clean these mats in any way. They say to just buy a new one when it loses its grip. They actually say you shouldn't even touch the adhesive with your fingers because the oils in your skin can break down the adhesive. But I figured if they say to just buy a new one anyway, I had nothing to lose by trying to clean it. And I actually found that this baby wipe method worked perfectly on the fabric grip mat as well. You can see all of the outlines of fluff from different felts and fabrics is coming right off. I was careful to be extra gentle with this mat, but I had no issues at all getting it nice and clean. And after drying it with my blow dryer, it definitely regained its stickiness, and the plastic cover was sticking perfectly again. I've heard of some cleaning methods fully removing the adhesive off of cutting mats, which is why I was a bit hesitant to put any sort of soap or cleaner on the mats. But this wet wipe method worked perfectly, and I will definitely keep cleaning my mats this way as long as possible before purchasing new ones. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later!